Hi, I'm the service engineer for Cellex. This is our equipment, the Helios Luminometer 120. This equipment tests for HbA1c. Fingertip blood or EDTA whole blood are permissible for this test. The adapter connects to the analyzer. You will also need a pipetter and tips. Each reagent kit includes an NFC card, reagent 1, and test discs, all packaged in aluminum foil bags. The reagent kit also includes capillaries and a bottle of reagent 2. Before testing, all reagents should be brought to room temperature.
This is the NFC card. The NFC card is for loading kit reagent calibration information. This is only scanned once. The calibration information will automatically save to the machine until the next kit is loaded. To use the NFC card, first, enter the calibration menu. Then click Read. Once you've clicked Read, wait 3 seconds before placing the NFC card until the machine displays Read Successful.
Now I will show you how to run a test. To begin testing, 5 microliters of sample must be obtained in a capillary. While obtaining your sample, make sure that the blood reaches the end of the capillary tube. After obtaining your sample, be sure to wipe off any excess blood around the edge of the capillary. Next, add the capillary to reagent R1.
Add blood sample to R1 reagent. Make sure that the capillary tube is completely filled and wipe away the excess blood. Mix well by inverting for 10 seconds. Incubate for 2 minutes.
Reagent 1 tube should be shaken
Start incubation
for 15 seconds. Afterwards, the reagent tube is left to incubate for 2 minutes. While the sample is incubating, we can prepare the testing disc and reagent tube.
After the incubation is completed, mix R1 well again. Apply 25 microliters of mixture to the cartridge. Don't touch the cartridge. Avoid air bubbles. After the mixture is absorbed completely, mix R2 well and apply 25 microliters of R2 to the cartridge. Don't touch the cartridge. Avoid air bubbles.
After incubation,
After
gently mix.
R2 is absorbed completely, test the cartridge.
To load the disc, ensure that your pipette is set to 25 microliters. This is when you depress the plunger fully to draw up more than 25 microliters of sample. Then, only dispense 25 microliters of sample onto the disc by depressing the plunger to the first stop. Once the disc is dried, after adding reagent 1, treat reagent 2 in a similar manner. Back pipette 25 microliters of reagent 2 onto the disc. While pipetting, make sure that you do not touch the disc and that you do not create any air bubbles. Once the disc is dried, load it into the chamber and click Test.